Hello everyone, myself Muhammad Wasas Sanan. Today our subject is power plant engineering. I am from Government Polytechnic Nanded. Our topic is on cogeneration and trigeneration processes. Here we can see first cogeneration. What is cogeneration? Cogeneration processes. Cogeneration is a very efficient technology to generate electricity and heat. And another one point is it is also called as combined heat and power, which is mean that CHP in short form, as heat and power are produced simultaneously. And third one point is using excess thermal energy to generate electricity and useful heat. Less fuel needs to be consumed to produce the same amount of useful energy. After it, principle of cogeneration processes. The cogeneration is a way of generating both thermal energy and electricity. In conventional thermal power station, outlet stream need to be cooled before pumping it to the boiler again. Cogeneration allows for using the waste heat and thus exchanging the overall system efficiency. Now you can see in the diagram picture given in photo. After it, why essential components of cogeneration power plant is required to us. The first one is prime mover. It converts fuel into heat and electrical energy that can be used to generate mechanical energy. Second one is generator. It transforms the mechanical energy into electricity. And third one is heat recovery system. It collects the produced heat. After it, here types of cogeneration power plant. First one is combined cycle, that is CHP plant. Second one is steam turbine, which is CHP plant. Third one is internal combustion engine, and last one is gas turbine. After it, here we can see that advantages and disadvantages of cogeneration power plant. Here first one, the advantage is in exchanging operational efficiency to lower overhead cost, and second one advantage is reducing energy waste, thereby increasing energy efficiency. Now disadvantage, the first disadvantage is now not an intrinsic energy source and not suitable for everyone. And second one is it requires large diameter heavily insulated metal piping for the hot water network. After it, we can see that our second topic is trigeneration processing. Trigeneration of combined cooling heat and power, which is CCHP, is the process by which some of the heat produced by a cogeneration power plant is used to generate chilled water for air conditioning or refrigeration. And second point is an absorption chiller is linked to the combined heat and power CHP to provide this functionality. Here, after it, principle of trigeneration processes. Trigeneration is the product of combined cooling, heat, and power from a single generator or process. The system produces electricity and useful heat, which is utilized for hot water, space heating, or steam production, as well as energy efficient cooling. You can see in diagram. After the principle, here it's essential. Essential components of trigeneration. First one is prime mover. In prime mover, fuel is converted into mechanical energy. After the prime mover, second one is generator. It transforms the mechanical energy into electricity. And our third one topic is heat recovery system. It collects the product heat, produced heat. After it, advantages and disadvantages of trigeneration power plant. Advantages is high efficiency production of electricity and heat, and second one is provide energy efficient cooling using waste heat, and disadvantages is low COP, which is 0.3 to 0.5, and low cooling power per unit volume and weight, and second one is not intrinsic energy source. Thank you. Here our topic is ended.